something I haven't done before, and that's unboxing something I've never bought before. So I've ordered a couple of canvases from an artist that actually makes and stretches his own canvas. They came like this. So this is 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters, and it's beautifully boxed and wrapped in plastic. That's how it came. I got 2 of them. I'm going to open this one and check it out. It's really quite exciting. So this is for a commission, and it's around $100. It should be pretty good quality, and so we'll see what happens. This is very well wrapped up. Oh. Sorry, like this. I'll just put this next bit on time. That's a lot of plastic. I don't know if I'll be able to use that again. Anyway, so now, turn this over again. Fantastic box. I'm really pleased with that. I need my knife. Trusty knife. So, slices. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I mean, I hate to be disappointed. No, I won't be disappointed. Well, I don't know. Probably it would pay me to invest in a big roll of plastic like that if I'm going to be sending things away, you know, back in their box. I mean, I guess I could put it back in the box and when I give it to the customer, I don't know. But probably I'll keep them for when I'm sending things away. Because okay. Where do I keep it is the other problem. Where would I think of somewhere to keep it? Maybe out the shed out the back. But anyway, that goes in there. Maybe I could store things in it as well. Okay, so take this bubble wrap off. I'll pack up for later. And now we can check it out. Okay, so have a look at the back. So what am I looking at? The wood, the corners. There's no way to put those corner braces in to re-stretch the canvas, but the canvas itself, I'll give it the rip test. So I can't rip the canvas, which means it's pretty strong canvas. I can see it's really strong canvas. It's got some nice hooks there, good quality strong wire, and so I just can't tighten that canvas if I do ding it, but when I turn it over, nice and smooth. I like it. Nice and square. Really square. Nice. Yes, I'm pretty happy with that. Is it worth $100? Yeah. Yeah. I would say so. Just the fact that it looks handmade and not like a shop. When you look at the back here, you know, not like one of the off the production line ones, which do tend to warp and they're a lot lighter and the wood's just not as good quality. I think that's gonna do my work proud. Yes. So I'm happy with that. And I suppose I better put the details, the link to where you can find them, in the description.